Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. I hope you're doing well. And yes, I've got my screen recording up here now. I'm getting straight into it. It's going to be a quick video today. On the day, I'm up 1.5%, which is awesome, guys. Total of $269.31 on the day, and in total 33%, which is insane. 33.47%, sorry, and a total return of $4,578.28, guys. That is unreal. So last night I made some purchases in the portfolio, guys, and I did increase my dividend annual income, which is incredible. My portfolio is sitting at $18,258.85. That is incredible, guys, considering I started out with like $300 in this portfolio, and to see this now $18,000, which I did a currency conversion because it's still at US dollars. It's like $23,000, so that is incredible, guys, and that's taken me 12 months, which is unbelievable, guys. And I really hope that you guys are building this dividend portfolio for yourselves as well. So let's get into my purchases, and I'll go through this and some dividends that I received last night. That'll be really cool. So we'll go scroll over to my activity statement here. So I did deposit last night $110 USD in one transaction, and $395, which is awesome, guys. I did get a stock referral, so thank you very much. That was from, I got another GoPro stock. I'm just going to end up having a whole heap of GoPro, but that's all good. SPHD, I did buy at $80 of SPHD last night, and that got me 2.0471 shares of SPHD. The effective price was $39.08, which is cool. So that's a really good monthly dividend payer, guys. If you're looking for that monthly dividend to come in every single month, it has increased slightly. I'll have to check the company to see if actually what the increase was, but it has increased slightly. The next purchase was everyone's favorite, which is Apple. I'm looking forward to increasing my position into Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. I purchased $130 of that last night, and that got me basically one share of Apple. Which is cool. The effective price, as you can see, was $127.72 at the market open. And we'll go back again. And VYM, guys, this is the top. This is the main Vanguard high dividend ETF, which basically tracks the top 500 companies in the top 500. Sorry, the S&P 500 and the top dividend paying stocks in the S&P 500. So I purchased $157.96 of that. That got me 1.65 shares of VYM. So this is a really good ETF for dividends if that's what you're looking to do, which I am, because basically I'm trying to get as much dividends as I can in my portfolio as quickly as possible, because the time frame to which that I have, being 32 years old, it's a lot. Obviously, if you're a lot younger, that's great. You're gonna have more time in the market, but I don't have that luxury, so I've got to go for these dividends, higher dividend yields, and not so much growth stocks, but more higher dividend yields around the 3 to 5%, which would be ideal. So the next and last one is XOM Mobil, guys. This one has been at a significant discount over the last 12 months, considering their prices around about $70 mark for the rest of basically for many years, and now it's dropped down as of last year because of the current situation at the moment that we're all in, and the reduced prices of oil because nobody was traveling or moving. So I purchased $143.97 of Exxon Mobil, XOM. That got me 2.97 shares of Exxon Mobil. Effective price was $48.47, which is really cool, guys. Now let's go over the total position. So we'll go to Apple first, and the effective price is $127.83 today. So I'm now sitting at 1.69 shares of Apple. I've had an 8.91% return in total, so $17 return, which is not much, but it is going to grow, obviously. And you can see here the dividend yield is quite low because they are reinvesting those dividends back into the company so they can build their technologies, which is essentially like a tech and growth stock at the same time, I'd say. So it's 0.65, very low dividend yield, but it's got a lot of growth and security. So Apple, guys, is one. Now we'll scroll down to the next one, which is SPHD, guys. As I'm now sitting at, and let's let that load, at 50 shares. That is incredible, guys. It's taken a long time to get. So $38.76 per share. I'm sitting at 50.5894 shares of SPHD. $1,960 in equity, and I've had a total return of 12%, which is really good, guys, in the last 12 months. That's more than any bank or any high interest savings account that you get in the bank. So 12%, $213.90 return. and a total of a 5.12% dividend yield. This is getting up on the high end, but this pays monthly, guys, which is really helping me build this dividend portfolio. So SPHD tops the top 50 dividend paying stocks. And let's scroll down to VYM, guys. This is the S&P 500 high dividend yield Vanguard ETF. This is the biggest ETF fund out there at the moment for high dividend yields. Vanguard is obviously renowned for being number one. I'm sitting at 11.8 shares of this, at $1,126 in equity, and I've had a total return of 6.3%, which is on the lower side, but it's going to grow obviously over time. $66.75, guys, and this has a dividend yield of 3.07%, which is not on the high scale. It's on that really good level. In between 3 to 5 is ideal. Anything lower than that, it's going to take a long time for that to grow, and obviously given that luxury that I don't have, 10 to 15 years, maybe it'll grow up to, those Apple stocks, for example, will grow up to about the 1%. But Vanguard, VYM, guys, and the last one is XOM Mobil, guys, XOM, now $48.84, guys. This has grown dramatically over the last 6 months or so, considering the industry of, the oil and so forth, the sector, but it's had an 18% return in the month, which is insane. And you can see here, guys, the total return, it's just gone shot up here because of the vaccine going around, and people obviously wanting to travel a lot more now. They're going to be moving around, and I think this is going to be a really good stock to hold. I've got 50 shares of Exxon Mobil now. Equity is $2,469 and a total return of 25%, guys. That is insane. That's the last 12 months when the market was really down. This stock was about $30, if not $29 to $30, and I bought in. I kept buying this throughout all of last year. So I've got a total return of $505.69, guys. So that is awesome. Dividend yield is 7.27%, which is unreal. It is high. I'm not too sure what the new president is going to be doing with non-renewables like fossil fuels and stuff. I'm not sure, but I hope that they continue to pay that dividend, and I'm sure they will over the next decade, or if not more. So let's move on to my dividend tracker, guys. All right, guys, so welcome back. This is my dividend tracking app, guys. This is on iOS. My annual dividend is sitting at $808.60. I'm on an average of $67 a month in dividends, and daily $2.22 a day, which is almost the price of an espresso. And the yield on average is 4.54%, so it's not too high, which is good. Today I'm due to receive a dividend from CSCO of 14 cents and VTR of 9 cents, which is cool. Top three payers are Exxon Mobil, SPHD, and PSEC. Exxon Mobil is now $228.94 a year. SPHD is $117.95, and Prospect Capital is at $97. And VYM is getting up there now at $49.92. Realty $63. AT&T at $37. AGNC at $23. And Main Street Capital at $19, and Stag at $19. And this is a really good app, guys, if you want to keep track of all your dividends every year. And I've now reached 27% of my goal, which is incredible. It takes a long time, but I've got that goal of $3,000 a year in dividends, and I'm sure I'll get that by the end of this year, but it takes time. So 29% is from energy and minerals companies, and receivables so far this month is $31, so that's really cool. And if you go to the portfolio, guys, $23,709, which is unreal. Total return in Australian dollars is $5,907. That's incredible, guys. For me to make that kind of money, a 9-to-5 job it takes a long time to make that kind of money, guys. So seeing these returns in the last 12 months is really cool. And this is a really cool feature, guys. As mentioned in my other videos, you can keep track of all your companies here as well. And let's go to, now if I scroll down here, because this would have increased. So for example, you've got your time. If I didn't reinvest any more money here, if I go straight to the point at 20 years, portfolio would be worth of $84,218, and the annual dividends would grow to $6,317.88. That is awesome, guys. So if I go to my monthly income here, you can see that I have been paid so far $41 in January. Due to receive money in Feb, March is my biggest payer. June and September and December as well is going to be a big one for me at $112. That is insane, guys. Now imagine that coming in every single month. $100, $200, $300, $400, $500. It just keeps snowballing. So that's the goal. That's what I want every single month. So I will build that, and we'll continue to buy some more stocks, guys. So there you go. That's my portfolio, guys. Thanks for sticking around, and make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I'll be putting up more videos in the next couple of days when I buy some more stocks, and would love to hear your favorite dividends, and if you've got any new ones coming up, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for sticking around, and stay safe, and we'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.